Good morning, friends. Today here I am again with another video. Today I'm going to ask you three simple questions related to programming only, and I challenge you to solve them, all of them, without any help and as soon as possible, right? And let's start with the questions, right? I'll start with the simplest one and I'll finish with the hardest one, right? So let's start with the simplest one. So the first question for you is that you are given with two numbers, right? First number is n and the second number is m, right? So you have to flip the mth bit from the right of n number, of the number n, like n is 4 and m is 2, right? So 4 is represented by this in binary system, and you have to flip the mth bit from the right. That means first and the second, you have to flip this bit, right? But this is not the complete question. The complete question is that you have to solve this problem using only using the logic of only one line, right? You cannot use more than that. Within the one line you have to flip that bit and print the solution also, right? So this is the first question. And now the second question is that it is related to Java programming. I don't know it will be same in other languages or not, but in Java that I have made two threads, right? First one is A thread and second one is B thread. Here are the classes, right? Here are the classes, and what I'm doing is I'm binding these two threads with a single input stream, right? And when I start both of these threads, and then both of these threads are waiting for the input from the same input stream, then which one of the thread will get the input when I will give the input through the keyboard, right? I have the sample output of this program. When I gave the input Rohit Negi, that's my name, then second thread get the input first, but I did not give these much of spaces or new line characters, so from where they came, right? Here is another list of so much spaces from where that they came. And there's one more thing, I've entered Rohit Negi, but for both the threads took the input Negi only. So where did the Rohit go? And when after that, after some execution of these threads, unknown exception of index out of bound exception occurred. I don't know why it occurred, but yes, I have this question. So if you can answer this question, right? So this is the second question. Now comes the third question. That's the final question. The third question is that you are given a particular number, right? And the question is that if this number is 0, you have to return 1, and if this number is not equal to 0, that means a non-zero value, you have to return 0, right? But the twist here is that you cannot use any conditional operator, any comparison between two numbers. You cannot use any boolean expression, if then else, loop, or conditional operator. You cannot use any of these, right? So no comparison, right? And there's one more condition, that you cannot use a technology provided by a particular language, like you cannot use exception handling or any other hacks. You cannot use any other hack provided by the a programming language. You cannot solve this problem based on programming language. Your solution should be independent of programming language, right? So I anticipate you to solve all these questions by the end of the day and without any help. Yes, and if you like these questions, please like my video, share my video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.